Ok, mi gente, vamos a ver este recurso en acción. This is going to be your best friend come the hustle and bustle of back to school season. So this is an editable syllabus for Spanish classes. And you notice that as I'm rolling over the sections in blue, these blue boxes, of course, do not print out. This is just showing you where you can edit things. So all you have to do is click and type. I teach Español Uno, so I'm going to keep that as Spanish 1. You can use this from year to year, so you can type in there what year it's going to be. Maybe you don't like paper. Maybe you want them to have something else. Change it. You're obviously going to need to change your name. So you type in there. But these things, the headings are static. They're not going to move, so you don't have to worry about them moving around here. Let's see what else we got. Scroll down here and you can take a look at all of the different things that are offered here in this syllabus. This is a proficiency-oriented syllabus, 90% Spanish, behavior expectations, cultura, routines and procedures, organization, technology policy, grading policy. You need one of those. Resources, that's my favorite part. Absences and translator policy. This is very easy to use. It's going to save you a lot of time and it's very easy for your students to read. Y eso es todo.